Hello gentlemen, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something that's deeply personal, and for many men, a little concerning as the years go by. We're talking about the gradual disappearance of a very specific and very healthy biological indicator, the morning erection. For many men over 50, its absence can feel like a quiet signal that something fundamental has changed, a subtle fear that vitality is fading. But here's the truth, it doesn't have to be that way. You can get it back. In this video, you'll discover a simple, powerful, almost unbelievable nightly ritual that takes just 60 seconds. It requires no pills, no equipment, and no complicated routines. It's completely natural, and while its primary purpose is to restore that important biological sign, the benefits go far beyond that. You'll notice a deep sense of relaxation. The tightness in your lower back will ease. You'll fall asleep faster, rest deeper, and wake up feeling more restored than you have in years. And when your partner notices the return of that unmistakable morning sign of health, confidence, and vitality, trust me, she'll notice. It will bring back an easy, natural spark to your mornings and your connection. So set aside all the complicated solutions and get comfortable, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to reclaim that signal of vitality and begin each day with confidence. Let's start by clearing up one huge misconception. The morning erection, or, in medical terms, nocturnal penile tumescence, isn't primarily about sexual arousal. You can have it without any sexual interest at all. It's actually one of your body's most reliable indicators of nervous system and vascular health, a nightly maintenance process that keeps your blood vessels elastic, your circulation strong, and your body balanced. Here's how it works. During deep, restorative sleep, especially in REM, the dreaming phase, your body shuts down its stress response. The fight or flight system goes quiet, and your rest and digest system takes over. In this relaxed state, your blood vessels dilate, blood pressure drops, and oxygen-rich blood circulates freely throughout your body. This isn't just a side effect, it's a vital maintenance cycle for your vascular system. It keeps the pathways clear, the tissues nourished, and the blood flow strong. When that process stops happening regularly, it's not necessarily a loss of libido, it's a warning light. A signal that something deeper might need attention. The three biggest culprits are stress, poor sleep, and physical compression from a sedentary lifestyle. First, chronic stress. When cortisol levels stay high, your body remains in alert mode, blood vessels tighten, muscles stay tense, and your body never fully relaxes. This constant tension acts like a brake on your nightly repair cycle, restricting blood flow and keeping you stuck in a loop of fatigue and constriction. Second, poor sleep quality. It's not about how long you're in bed, it's about how deep you go. Without enough REM sleep, your body can't run its nightly maintenance program. It's like trying to refuel your car while it's still moving, you never get a full recharge. Finally, restricted nerves and blood flow. Hours of sitting, at desks, in cars, or on couches, tighten the muscles in your lower back and hips. Over time, that tension compresses the very nerves and vessels responsible for pelvic blood flow. The good news? There's a simple way to target all three problems right at the source, a 1-minute nightly ritual that uses your own hands to release tension, restore nerve flow, and tell your body it's safe to relax and repair. In part 2, we'll walk through the exact technique, step by step, so you can start reclaiming your vitality tonight. Let's dive into the 60-second nightly ritual that can reset your body's natural signals and restore that healthy morning vitality. To understand why it works, you first need to know about a crucial nerve hub in your lower spine, the sacral plexus. Think of your spine as a superhighway of communication between your brain and your body. Near its base, just above your tailbone, is the control center for your entire pelvic region. It's responsible for sending signals that control blood flow and relaxation. When the muscles in your lower back and glutes are tight, often from stress or long periods of sitting, they compress this nerve network. The result? Those vital signals get blocked. The 60-second ritual you're about to learn gently releases that pressure and allows your nervous system to send clear messages again, the ones that say, relax. Open up. Restore. Here's how to do it. Start by lying comfortably on your back, either in bed or on a soft mat. Take a deep breath and bring your knees up toward your chest. Hold them there for a moment. You'll feel a gentle stretch through your lower back. Rock slowly from side to side to loosen any lingering tightness. Now, place your thumbs on either side of your spine, just above your glutes. You'll feel two small bony points. Those are your sacroiliac joints. Your thumbs should rest just to the outside and slightly below them. From here, you'll perform 3 simple actions. Action 1, small circles. Press gently but firmly with your thumbs, making small, slow circles on both sides of your lower spine. You should feel deep, satisfying pressure, not pain. Continue for about 20 seconds, feeling the muscles soften beneath your touch. Action 2, the vertical sweep. Keeping steady pressure, slowly glide your thumbs upward along the sides of your spine, from the base of your glutes to just below your ribs. Then return to the starting point. Repeat 5 to 10 times. This encourages blood flow and releases stored tension. Action 3, the transverse drag. Return to the base of your spine. Press your thumbs in, then sweep them outward toward your hips, across the top line of your glutes. Repeat 10 times. This motion targets the deep muscles that often compress your sacral nerves. When you're done, take a slow, deep breath in, and exhale fully. Feel the wave of relaxation wash through your lower body. You've just told your nervous system, it's time to rest. Do this every night before bed. Within a week or 2, you'll notice real changes: easier sleep, a lighter lower back, a calmer mind. And one morning, that unmistakable biological sign will return, a quiet but powerful reminder that your body is once again working for you. Beyond that, you'll notice higher energy, steadier moods, and a deep sense of confidence that carries into every part of your day. This ritual doesn't just restore a physical function, it restores balance, vitality, and self-assurance. Try it tonight. A single minute that can truly change your mornings, and maybe even your life.